I got a lot of questions, which is weird to say, about the renting versus buying for the video I did here at the property here in Treasure Island at 605 115th Avenue. And yes, if you have a typical, conventional mortgage, you're looking at around, you're obviously with a good credit score, you're looking at around, somewhere around $6,100 for rent. Now, the question is specifically, the age-old question of do you rent or do you buy? In Treasure Island specifically, we're gonna just keep it on that a home with 3 beds, 2 baths, on the water, with a pool, in whatever site you're using, whether it's Zillow, VRBO, Airbnb, etc., is gonna go on the market for $6,900 all the way up to $30,000 per month, whether that's a short-term or a long-term rental. So when I was talking about, does it make sense to rent versus buy? I mean, granted, if you have $30,000 to throw away at a house every month just to rent, perhaps not. But if you're a typical person looking for a place to live and you've decided that it's St. Petersburg area, it's Treasure Island, and you're looking for a home on the water at a good affordable price, and you're looking for a nice, beautiful, quiet neighborhood with the amenities of a pool, a dock, you're right on the canal waterfront, you've got no HOA, it's a great place to raise a family, it's a great place to invest if you wanted to do rentals, then yes, I think a mortgage of 6,100 per month, for a price point of 925,000 is much better than your alternatives if you're thinking about renting. But that's just my opinion. Perhaps I'm biased. I am a real estate agent. Um, Again, this is Christian Bush, licensed agent with Real Broker, and I help families buy and sell homes here in the Gulf Coast communities of Pinellas County. If that's of interest to you, please give me a call at 727-303-1521, and I could talk to you more about houses like this. This one at 605 115th Street here in Treasure Island is listed with Move Realty, and Heather Pennock is the listing agent. Wonderful lady, great husband, Brad. And we can talk to you about their properties here. They have several properties on this island. This is actually Palm Island here in Treasure Island. Um, but yeah, and there's plenty of other homes available. And like I said, if it's a question of do you want to rent or do you want to own, 9 times out of 10 for most people, owning is better. There's always questions about, the interest rate for the mortgage you'd get, et cetera, et cetera, et cetera. But 9 times out of 10, it's better to own than it is to rent. But again, that's my opinion. Talk to you guys later.